Hi, welcome back to Innspec Tutorials. In this sixth edition, we'll be looking at how to find companies um, as designers, specifiers, owners, buyers, etc. How do you find the right supplier for your project? And for suppliers, it's good to know, of course, how can you make sure that you're being found? So if we there's various ways of looking for suppliers. We can go to projects. Think of a project that you like, one that you admire, one that you has recently opened, etc., and you want to know um, who was involved. So we can, for example, think of the Renaissance St. Pancras, um, a big project and one where many companies were involved. So we can have a look through here. You can find the various companies that were involved. You'll notice these profiles are all ready to be claimed by their respective owners. And you can go to the companies page and find a company that way. There's various categories which are the foundation of Innspec. There's 5 user categories: suppliers, designers, owner-operators, consultants, and contractors. A hotel project always has these parties involved. Suppliers speak for itself. Suppliers of products and services. Designers, that includes interior designers, architects, landscape architects, lighting designers, etc. You can see the various categories here. Owner operator speaks for itself. Consultants, various consultants, art, barcoding, cost consultants, food and beverage concept consultants, kitchen consultants, procurement agents, packing services, installation services, all listed here. Contractors, general fit out, MEP, joinery, turnkey, flooring contractors, and so forth would be listed there. So, for example, if we're looking for procurement agents who may be on the site, we can find various procurement agents that we know are currently out there and their profiles are ready for claiming. If, for example, we're looking for a particular product, so let's clear this setting here, and we could look for hotel supplies, we could look for linen, for example, bed, bath and table linen, or we could look for leather, and do it this way, and find leather. So companies, claimable profiles that are on the site at the moment. You could also do it via the spotlight search and say leather here. Here are company names with leather in it. Or via the categories, carpets, fabrics, there we go, leather, and there we go, search results for leather. And these company profiles can be claimed by their respective owners. And you can, of course, find companies by country as well. Good to know. Good to support the economy in which a project finds itself, or if you need to source locally, globally, project locally, etc. You can do that by finding all the companies in a particular country for your next project. If we go back to categories again, important to know for your, we go down to leather categories. We had a look at it earlier, and we're going back to our sample company. These are the products and categories that a company can lists. There's thousands. And again, these are also all linked. So if you, as a buyer, as a procurement agent, as a designer, are looking for anything in particular, you can go onto a company's profile and say, okay, this is what they do. I found them this way. Are there other companies that supply the same? And it'll automatically filter the settings for you. You can go back here and say, I'm looking for lighting. Who supplies lighting? And there's all the lighting companies listed currently. All the more reason for all you suppliers out there to claim your profile and make sure that you get found on the network for hotel supply and design. Thanks for listening.